Look how big this is. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. It's Shadows Productions here. So back with a brand new video. So today we got one of the best things that we can get. I told you after the European Hornet I was gonna get 2 stings. So here it is. Today we're gonna do
the Cicada Killer challenge.
And this is, oh my goodness. These are the Cicada Killers, as you can see. I don't know if you can see them very well, but they're huge. Both of them are female, and they said in the Schmidt painting it ranks as a 2 or 2, and I don't know if that's true unless we get stung by it. And we seen Coyote Peterson, Jack Outdoors, and Jack's World of Wildlife got stung by this insect. They said that it's not that bad, feels like a pinch, but we don't know that, so I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get into the video.
We're Chills Productions here, and we're about to enter the sting zone with the Cicada Killer. Are you guys ready? You go first.
Okay, I'll go first. Oh my god. Arling, wait one. Okay, I have one right here. Look how big this is. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look, the stinger's stuck in my arm. Ooh, wait. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Wait.
On my leg.
Ooh. Look, it made me bleed. Oh. Well, a small dog. Wait. Give it a second. Oh. Wait. Okay. Wait, as I was saying, is that it is a 2 in the Schmidt painting. It actually feels like a honeybee sting. Is it gonna fly or something?
It feels like a honeybee?
Yeah, but less. Like, the honeybee has more venom than this. Okay. In here. Yeah, look. Look at that thing. It actually drew blood. It's like, it's right here. You can't see it. But, oh goodness. It's actually like a 2. The whole stinger is it's like a 2. If I have to rank it, this one with par with, I feel like it will be par with a pig wasp. Because it didn't hurt that much. It was painful, but it didn't hurt that much. That large stinger is not that bad. And I also happy 4th of July, but I'll post this later, obviously. But these guys are friendly.
Alright, have you guys here?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I felt that one. It's like a 2. The stinger went all the way in my arm. And I didn't want it to pull out by reaction because that was actually, that would have actually hurt. Are you? Oh, it is a 2. It's like a honeybee sting.
Also, wait, which one's painful? The European Hornet or the Cicada Killer?
The European Hornet hurt more than
this one. The European Hornet hurt more than the Cicada Killer. This is an Eastern Cicada Killer, by the way.
Eastern Cicada Killer. The Western one is like red. These are the 2 pictures right here on the screen. The red one is the Western, and the black one is the Eastern, which the one we got stung by. These guys are giants, but they're gentle giants.
I'm gonna try one more. It felt like a paper or a honeybee thing.
Yeah.
It's just
it felt like welcome to level 2.
Yeah, that's what it felt like.
Okay, I'm gonna take one more sting.
I was gonna take one more thing. Well,
I'm gonna take from the big one. I took the small one. I have to take from.
I'll take the small one.
Okay. You can also hold it like this. So yeah. Ow! It's the same. That long stinger. It's like it hurts and it's itchy.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Okay. So what do you think of
Oh, that one I bleed. I bleed from the small one.
Yeah, because the small one has a bigger stinger than the adult one.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like welcome to level 2. It will be like,
it's not that painful.
yeah, it's not that painful. So far, the sting is not that bad. The small one drew blood, obviously.
It drew blood to me, but I don't
It
know
drew
where
blood and muscle juices, I think. Yeah, because the stinger is long. And the pain, their pain is strong enough to paralyze the cicada. But for us, because we're bigger targets, it doesn't do that much effect. So,
it only gives you the painful sting, which is a 2, confirmed,
And-
and an itchy arm.
yeah, so yeah, these guys are gentle giants. But this one is probably 1.5 inches. The other one is probably 2 inches, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's the reaction to the cicada killer sting. So yeah. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys enjoyed it a lot, make sure to like and subscribe.
Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the newest videos.
And if you guys want to go see the previous video where I got stung by the Hornet, the European Hornet, you can go check it out. And subscribe to the channel. So yeah, happy 4th of July. I don't think I'll post this video anytime soon after the 4th of July, but yeah. Choose Productions.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace, you guys.